Hello, it's OnePlus One. The device isn't turning on. Like we see, it's looking like that. We have original the cable and the adapter. Now we're taking the phone and putting the cable in. Like we see, the notification isn't showing nothing. We don't have any icons of on the screen of the icon of the screen on that. Like we see, I pressing now the power button. Nothing happening. I was trying for pressing that power button for five times per 20 seconds. Nothing changed. It was still the same. Also was try the combination with volume up and down combination with holding the power button and other that kind of and other that key, not key, the switch. Was trying to using that also. Was still the same. The phone didn't responding. To show that cable and adapter are okay, I will be putting the cable to other phone to show it. Like we see, the phone are charging. OnePlus One still is the same. Nothing changed. Was also trying to charge that phone for 20 hours, and after that situation nothing changed. Telephone not shown any sign of working, no notification light, no screen power, nothing, no vibration, still nothing. Also the PC didn't recognizing the phone. We take the cable, we put here, yes, and put the cable on. Is no sign of connected of the telephone to the PC. Was downloaded the USB driver for that phone to using that, and like we see, we use the other phone. We have volume that telephone was connected. Like we see, it was it was working right now. Yes, that is not a problem. The phone was few times trying to charged for 20 hours. After that, not response, was resting for 20 hours, and after that was that kind of things repeated for a few days, and after that still not signal of the life of that phone. Thank you very much.